I have the GSG MP5 and the MP5K version. I was gonna bring those, but they're such short range. I didn't think we were gonna be shooting this close.
Yeah.
But this time I will, because those are ideal for room searching and clearing.
Pretty much urban.
Where is it?
Yeah.
Where is it?
I know at least track it as well. I was like, the target, I was like, where is it at? I just see, with this one?
What are you firing? The block?
Oh, I can't even see it.
And you'll nail it. Like I said, I was nailing it 150 yards.
Ooh. There you go.
Keep it there. Keep it there.
Almost up, a little bit up more, up more. There you go. Nice.
Oh yeah.
Nice, yeah. Rapid fire. Dude, you're doing pretty well.
What's up?